Hello clients, this is Abdul Rahman and you are just watching my portfolio video. I just make a portfolio video to show you my work experience and to prove you my work experience because I'm new in Upwork right now, okay? So it's my new profile. I don't have any work history or something like that, but in reality I am expert, I am experienced, and I am working as an expert, as a PPC expert plus Amazon VA, okay? So here is my work history. You can see my work, my clients, okay? But I am new over the Upwork, you can see, okay? So let me show you something. These are the tools which I will work. I'm working right now. This is the paid tools, okay? Using for keyword researching, okay? Using for bypass, using for listing something, using for keyword researching as well. The cerebral using for reverse ascent, okay? In cerebral reverse ascent, we will look for the competitors, those top competitors of your products that they are ranking for some top keywords, high volume keywords, okay? And magnet is also used it for keyword research, where you can find some basic or some some top keywords, some high volume keywords, something like that, okay? So this is my main tools, Helium 10, the paid tools which I will use. I'm working still on, I'm already working for some US clients. I found some top high volume keywords for them or for their products, as well as some high volume keywords that their competitors were using, okay? And many more, okay? There are some more options. You can say there is listing optimization, okay? From here we can say, for instance, is used for keyword processor, okay? The checking out the listing or optimizing of your product listing, whether it's okay, it is indexed or not, or something like that. All these options are working here. So I will go step by step when you hire me or when I start on your project or on your issue. Meaning you might be having product issue, you might be having looking for the keyword, okay, top keywords. You might be having for looking for the keyword whether it is indexed or not, okay? Or you might be looking for the PPC expert to rank your product, to set, to boost your sales, something like that. All I will cover in our expert of that, okay? So let's jump to the accounts. I will show you. You can see as I have I'm right now I'm handling 3 accounts, okay, or 3 clients of US. One is Bocaleco, there another is Sahara Traders, and the third one is Be Preferred, okay? So let's jump to the Bocaleco, which is already I'm opening. Let's see, for example, the order management. These are the order managements. In the past, this person had, you can say, no orders, or like something only 3 or 2 orders per day. But now almost it is since it's been 4 or 6 months that I'm working over his account, and now we can see 20 to 25 to 18 to 15 orders per day, okay? As a PPC orders, you can say, as a whole total orders. Let's jump, and this is his product, okay? This is the date, this is the orders, you can see. Let's jump to the PPC management, okay? Campaign manager, where we can see the PPC campaigns, the strategies, the etc, okay? I will show you some for proving my work, okay, that I am the experts. And when you hire me, I will also create some awesome, some new strategy campaigns to your products that you could say, that you could boost your sales, and you could low down your ACOS, okay? Both organic and I will boost your both organic and PPC sales, okay? So here you can see this is for the yesterday, okay? You can see the yesterday, okay? Here is some decent ACOS, okay? Like Amazon keywords, suggested keywords, okay? 3 orders came in over on the 10th ACOS, which is very decent. 37 very decent, 44 not very bad, 15 is decent also, 46 is not very bad, 49 and 6 is also very decent ACOS, okay? So let's go back to the another account, and here you can see the open orders, the balance etc, okay, as well as reports, payment etc. We will see business reports, for example. on the business reference, what we can see, we can see the total sales of the specific day or the month or the year as you want. Okay, for example, let's see custom. Yesterday was 26. Okay, let's see for the 26, for example, 26 to 26. Okay, and click on the apply. Wait, it will show you on the 26, meaning the yesterday we had 20 orders. Okay, and how much was the total units? The total units were 24. Okay, the total sales were $262. Okay, and this is the average sales, something like that. Okay, so from there we can calculate the T cost, the A cost, whether the A cost was good, the T cost was, how was the T cost, how was the sales, how was the, whether our account is in loss or is in profit, something and everything you can see there, you can watch, as well as let me show you one more thing. When you hire me, when I start work on your project, as well as both as a PPC or as a VA. Okay, I will managing for your products, while sending and managing these kind of reports to you or for your products, where clearly we can see it is both weekly and monthly. Okay, so this is clearly you can see as product name, iron alkaline water, product ISIN, the date. Okay, here is the date. On the 5/1/2021 we had almost 6 orders, 6 quantities. Okay, like let's see this one, 5 orders. Okay, what was the total units quantity? 12. Okay, what were, how much was the PPC order? How many was the PPC order? There was 2 only. Okay, the product cost was 35. The FBA price was also 321. The selling price was 1995. Okay, total sales was 2 on that day, 239. PPC is well, let's say PPC referral fee was referral fee was to find the break even cost. Okay, what's the break even cost? Break even cost meaning, looks, I have set a formula for it, G5 plus H5 plus L5, meaning that product cost plus FBAP, which is Amazon is cutting or selecting for each orders. Okay, per orders, plus wait a minute, G4 L4. Okay, product cost, that is G4, FBA, that is L4, and L4. Okay, the referral fee, how much was the referral fee? The referral fee is something like Amazon is charging 15% for each order. Okay, that's Amazon fee, something you can say per order. Okay, and FBA is if you are using fulfillment by Amazon services, it will charge you based on the product, based on the weight or something like that, which we can calculate later on the website as well. Okay, so let's jump into the break even cost. This was break even cost. Okay, the total PPC order, profit margin. Okay, you can see we had almost 10.14.55 sorry, which is in percentage you can say almost near to 50 or 50% is the product margin for this client. Okay, or for this account. Okay, in this PPC alkaline water. So now profit before PPC, like let's see here, this was the whole profit or the whole sale before PPC, and profit after PPC, meaning that after the PPC, how much the PPC spend was on that day. Okay, it's minusing, like P5 minus N5, meaning that P5, okay, this was, and N5, let's see N5. Okay, this was the total sale, meaning how much was the total sale before PPC, and minusing that day PPC spend. Okay, so it will become 94, meaning this is the net profit. Okay, after all PPC or everything, this is the net profit for that day. Okay, the A cost is 19 and the T cost is 11. Okay, So all these are reports, weekly or monthly reports, or managing your campaigns, new strategy, managing creating new strategy for your campaigns to boost your sales and to boost your organic sale both in PPC sales and to lower down your cost. All these things I will do. I'm an expert of that. I just show you on the video that I am expert, but I don't have any review in Upwork because I'm new in Upwork. So if you are thinking that I am good fit for your job or for your needs that you want for your product or something, you can contact me and we will discuss on the messenger and show me your project, show me your issue. I will solve inshallah. Okay, have a nice time. Goodbye.